welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And although it's October, I am organizing and preparing for Christmas today, as crazy as that sounds. I've got a bunch of Amazon packages and Target orders, like Target did their whatever they were called, like the Target deal days or whatever, and then Amazon had their Prime days. So I got a bunch of stuff for the kids. I've been collecting some stuff as well. I just finished working out and then I got ready really quick, showered real quick and then got ready. So I'm like, still out of breath. So I am gonna organize all of that today. We are also going to go Christmas shopping and I'm gonna show you some stuff in the stores, any good things that I find and all of that. And I'll show you a couple of things that I bought so far. But as always, I do like a what I got my kids for Christmas video. But downstairs in our basement, we have the boiler room, and that is where I keep their Christmas gifts. They do not go in there at all. Like, I'm surprised. And like, we still have this lock on here, but that was like from when they were babies. So that does not, they're 8 and 7, so it definitely doesn't keep them in anywhere. But we have like a desk in here, and this is where I keep, like, it's clearly a mess in here, but this is where I keep like extra Christmas presents, and I have like a store for when I find things on sale for birthday parties and stuff. I go in here and shop in here first. But here's some more stuff that's Christmas, and this kind of needs to be organized and gone through and to see everything that I have.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding.
All right, I actually have more than I thought I did. So, or for Austin at least. Which I actually just ordered him a bunch of stuff last night because I thought I didn't have a lot for him. But that's okay. Because his birthday is January 1st. So he's big into Roblox right now, so I got him this collector's toolbox. It holds 32 figurines and all that stuff, so he is very, or will be very excited about this. I always get these kind of things to put like in their stockings and stuff like that. They also, both my kids love Harry Potter, so I got these on the Target deals. These were like $10, but they were on sale for like $5.99 or something, and these were on sale for $3.99. They have the ones for like the real ones from Disney, but so that way they can play with these, and if they break, it's not a big deal. Some more Roblox guys, some pajamas, some books, a huge Nerf gun. This was like a $25 Nerf gun, and I got it for like $10, I think, on the Target deal. So he is obsessed with like marshmallow and making beats and songs and stuff like that. So he is going to freak out over this. And then I got him this like darts game. It's like all different kind of things on it. So I think I'm going to give that to him for his birthday with some other things. But this is what I got so far for him. A little G.I. Joe guy. And I got him these pair of wireless bud headphones. Which I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know. I haven't decided on these yet. Layton, look at her sad little pile. She's got this little toothbrush, some mini brands, some pajamas, an LOL doll. She's got Hermione doll and a Hermione wand, and then she's got one of those rainbow high dolls. But she's got a bunch of more stuff coming in. We're going shopping today. So, but the whole point of this wasn't to go over what I got. The whole point was to show you kind of how I organize everything. I like to give each kid a box. So I got 3 boxes here. Brendan so far has a Carhartt hat, so there we go. He's 16, much harder for him. So Austin's got the biggest stuff right now, so we're gonna put all the stuff in boxes, and then I kind of hide them so they don't see all of this stuff. And then I've got a pile back here of like other gifts and stuff, which I'll show you in a second.
In my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really want.
All right, so then, like I said, each kid has a box, and then I don't buy for that many other people. Like my mother-in-law, we give her like a few things, and my father-in-law, same, but we usually get them like a gift certificate or tickets to a show or something like that. So it's more my sister, my mom, my dad. My nieces and nephews are all older now, so they get money. So these are just, and I get like, just collect things. Like I got some things for my sister, and her birthday's in February, so if I have a lot of stuff. My niece is same thing, her birthday is in January, so all that stuff is in here. And I have a list on my phone of everything I've bought so far, so, but really I'm just giving each kid a box, and then when you get something, going in, adding it to that box, and just kind of keeping inventory of what you have. All right, so I just noticed in putting all the stuff away and organizing it, I probably would have never realized, but the snap, the little latch, I don't know if you can see it, is broken. Like that one's fine, but this one is broken. So, or it's about to break. I can't tell, but it's all like bent and ready to snap. So I am going to drop this off at the UPS store, and they are already sending me a new one that's not broken. So now I feel a little bit more organized, and like I kind of know what each kid has so far, and I do save a few things for like the new stuff to come out. Everything, there's always new stuff that comes out November, closer to Christmas time, so I definitely like leave some leeway with that. But those are like such small little things, like some of that stuff will go in their stocking. Super small. I do not buy my kids a ton of stuff. They probably have around 15-ish gifts each. And like I said, I do tend to stock up a little bit more for Austin, but only because his birthday is January 1st. So if I have like extra stuff for him, it just goes towards his birthday. So now we are going to head out. We're going to go to Barnes & Noble. We're going to go to Target. We're going to go to Marshall's. If it's not too busy in the stores, I'll kind of share what I get, or like some different items that are in there. But if it's kind of busy, I'll just show you what I get when we get home. All right, I am home, and I made out so well. I didn't end up showing you guys because I just was like, I wasn't looking for anything specific, and there was nothing like crazy good that I thought was like new and exciting. It was like the same old stuff at Target, honestly. So but let me show you. I got these beautiful, this huge Marines book for my father-in-law who's in the Marines. It's like this beautiful like picture book and like all about it. And I got him this leather-bound Constitution book, which I think he will absolutely love. I made out so good in the toy department for Layton. She's getting a Welly Wisher. It was on like the Amazon deals. It was like $20 off, I think. So for like $40, I got her a Welly Wisher. She has a sleeping like camping set, but she already has a Welly Wisher, so now she's gonna have another one. So here is a second sleeping bag, and it was $3. And then another Welly Wisher's little outfit, like a dress and a little apron, boots, and a little headband, $6. To go with my sister's Christmas and or birthday gift, the Friends game, and the one where they like, the episode where they drop the ball, or they like don't drop the ball. It's like a card game and all that stuff. So I thought that was gonna be super fun, and it was $3. Like, such good deals. Then for Miss Layton again, Target, huge clearance. This was $11.59. It was $40. It's just one of those LOL dolls, which she loves. I think most kids her age does. Austin, I got him this. He likes like science stuff and projects and building things and all that kind of stuff, and he still likes Ryan's Toy Review, so I got him this experiment set. It's like Orion's Lab. So it was on sale for $6. Like, how awesome. Just like a fun little gift, something to do in the wintertime. And then both of my kids have wanted this, so I think I'm going to give it to both of them. It is the Mini Toy Brands, the whole store. That was on clearance for $8.99. Like, can't beat it. So that is it for this, like, how I organize, how I, like, figure out when I'm gonna get each kid, and a little bit of Christmas shopping in October. I like to be done nice and early, so that is good. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.